How'd you like to experience Punta Cana from a bird's eye view? Helidosa, a very popular helicopter excursion company, provides helicopter tours that allow travelers to discover the beauty of the Dominican Republic by air. Riders can select between 10, 15, 20, 30, and 40-minute flights for their trip. For this video, we did the 10-minute flight at a cost of $90 per person. As you take off, you can see lots of the island's lush landscape before heading towards the ocean. From the ground, say relaxing on the beach, you'll constantly see helicopters flying along the beautiful coastline. As we get closer to the beach, I adjust my camera rig to get ready to film above the water. The first thing you'll see is the Dolphin Explorer, which is a very popular excursion here. This area, Bavaro, is an area of all-inclusive beach resorts in Punta Cana, and it's a region known for its white sand beaches and clear waters. The patterns of coral are quite visible from up here, as well as plenty of life on the water. One of the interesting points that your pilot will point out are the two masses of coral that look like two hearts. Very cool. Hope you've enjoyed my Explorer series of Helidosa helicopter tours. Be sure to check out my other videos in my Explorer series, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.